Hi, I'm Lou, and today I'm going to review the Drocon Traveler Drone. This is what it looks like just out of the box. You have to provide your own USB charger, but they give you this cable which goes in here, and then this goes into the battery to charge it. And that'll take about 2 hours. This light will be green when it's ready. You put the feet in like this, and then screw them down with the provided screwdriver. And here's the one on the other side. The video card in the camera right here, and clip the camera into place right here. Plug one end of this little cable down in here, and the other end into the camera here. Slide the battery in here, and we're ready to go. Flip over the remote and install 4 of your own AA batteries. Here's the controller instruction sheet. This is the on-off switch, takeoff and landing button, heading hold button. This joystick moves the drone sideways in any direction. This moves the drone up and down, and this turns the drone clockwise and counterclockwise. To begin, turn the power on and you get a fast flash, and then pull this down to get a slow flash. Now push and hold the power button on the drone for 3 seconds to get it started. You know you're connected when you have a solid red light here. And off we go. It's admittedly a bit of a windy day here, and there's our drone. So as you can see, flying outside in a little wind did not work well. Also, I don't know if this is because of the crash, but we have 2 green LEDs working up front and 1 red LED in the back, but this other one is not working anymore. On the good side, I downloaded the app and paired it with the drone as they said in the manual, and the video does seem to be working, as you can see as I move the drone around. Let me see if I can fly this thing in the house with no wind. I'm going to try to launch it from in front of the fireplace and land it in this pan on the stove. I made it. Okay, let's see if we can get it off this placemat and up onto the pan on top of the refrigerator. Well, close. Finally. So I got this thing for $50 on a lightning deal on Amazon. It's normally $100, and in this price range you don't get gimbal on the camera, which means that it doesn't move even though the drone is moving all over the place. And also you don't get GPS in here, so the drone really has no idea where it is, so it can't stay in one place very easily. It bothers me that this LED burned out on its maiden voyage, but it doesn't affect the flight at all. As you've seen, I've wrecked it several times and it seems to take a beating pretty well. It really doesn't seem to handle the wind well at all. If you're looking for a cheap toy to use inside or on a really calm day outside, this might be a good drone for you. If you're looking for more of a serious tool that can be positioned very accurately and can take stable pictures and video, this is certainly not the drone for you. Thanks for watching.